Assalamu alaikum. Hi guys, I hope you guys are doing okay. Welcome to another video, and today's video is also a collaboration between me and Tasty Cooks. I'm going to leave her image on the screen and also what she's going to be preparing for us. She's going to be preparing potato cheese balls. Also, don't forget to check out my description box for her link in order to go direct to her channel and get to learn some amazing stuff. Thank you so much for watching. Let's get to the video. So guys, I'm going to be making MARU BHAJIA, and on our ingredients you're going to need turmeric powder, some salt, garlic paste I crushed. Then you're also going to need lemon, squeeze in one big lemon. You're going to need coriander leaves. Then you're also going to need about 3/4 cup of rice. You're going to soak it for it to become softer. Then you're also going to need gram flour. I used 1 cup. Then of course you're going to need potatoes, and make sure you slice them like this, not too thin, not too thick, just a good size because we're not boiling this. So guys, the first step, I'm going to drain this water inside my rice. Then I'm going to leave it with just a bit of water to help it blend properly. We want it to blend until it's thick and looks like thick like paste, just like this. This is how it should be. Yes. Then on to our next step, we are going to pour this inside our mixing bowl, just like that. Then next we are going to add in our gram flour inside our rice mixture, just like that, and we are going to mix this well. Then the next part is to add in our lemon, just like that, and we are going to add in a bit of water into our paste to help it form a thick paste. Then guys, as you can see our mixture, this is how it's looking. It's so like fine, it doesn't have chunks or particles. The next step, we are going to add in our salt. I used about 1.5 teaspoons. Then I used also about 1.5 teaspoon of turmeric powder and some garlic paste to your liking. Also, all the measurements will depend on the amount of potatoes you are making. So the turmeric powder is just going to give us a nice color. The garlic is going to give us a nice taste. Then finally, I'm going to chop my coriander and I'm going to add them in my mixture. Then guys, the next step is to put some of your potatoes inside your mixture. Don't put a lot, just put enough, the ones that you're going to fry at that time. Then I'm going to dip them inside my oil. Also guys, remember this is bhajia, this is not viazi karai. For viazi karai you boil your potatoes first, but this you don't boil your potatoes because you slice them in really thin slices. I have a viazi karai video, I'm going to link it on top there. If you're interested to learn the difference, please check it out. So we are going to leave this over here for about 3 to 4 minutes and they're going to be done, just as you can see guys. So guys, the reason why we added the rice is to make it crunchy, more crunchy. Whenever you go out and order some MARU BHAJIA, they are never soggy, they are super crunchy, and that's why you need to add in some rice mixture. It will help you give that crunchiness on the top part. So guys, this is a really easy recipe. You don't need a lot of ingredients, and it's everything you can find anywhere. You don't have to keep looking for some ingredients. So you're just going to continue with the process, and after a few minutes you're going to be done. Thank you so much for watching. This is what we turned out with. I hope you have enjoyed. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram and tag me whenever you try out my recipe. Also guys, don't forget to subscribe. It's completely free. Just click on the red button. Don't forget to like and leave me a comment. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.